told you, we've shown you all the live action from the competition area. We are now back at the Ahar Media Studio, and I have with me the Viva Horeca TV MD, Mr. Vijay Panangat, and I have both the guests again with me. So we'll take from the point where we were talking about ICF role in organizing this beautiful competition, and which is the 11th edition this year. And you already seen the excitement. I will now hand over actually this whole conversation bit to Vijay.
Thank
Vijay,
you.
sir.
Thanks, Neeraj. Welcome to the show. I have with me two very distinguished members in the panel, Chef Devendra Kumar, lovingly called Chef DK by the industry, and he's the president of ICF. ICF, as you know, is the premium body of chefs in India, and we are honored to have you, sir, on this show.
Thank you.
Alongside Chef DK is Chef Shaju Zakaria, also lovingly called Chef Zach. So I think that's not a tongue twister, it's an easy one to say. He is the vice president of ICF and very, very keenly moderating and taking this entire the work of the chef community forward. So let's quickly go through from Chef DK. Sir, about ICF, and how long back did you all, get together? As Neeraj was saying, it was 11th edition of the show, but when did you start the ICF movement?
Well, Indian Culinary Forum, so-called ICF, was formed way back in 1987. And it's a chefs association of Northern India. Today we stand tall with more than 1,000 registered members.
Wow.
And this was formed with an aim and objective to create a platform for fellow chefs to exhibit their skills, show their talent, share knowledge, and enhance overall, hone their culinary skills. So ICF over the years has been doing many activities, whether it's something to do with education, that's hosting seminars, culinary workshops. We also are engaged in doing charity events. We have one of the largest events in the country. To begin with this, as you have seen today,
Yeah.
it's 11th Culinary Art, which we have staged 2016. Again, it's a venue for chefs to show their talent, Likewise, we have another event called Chef Awards, which we celebrate on the occasion of International Chef Day.
Yes.
This year we'll be celebrating 12th Chef Award in November at the Ashok Hotel. So over the years, as I said, ICF has performed very well in uplifting the image of this profession and professionals. And today, the status of chef is very well recognized in the society and in the industry at large.
Absolutely.
And ICF has made enormous efforts in promoting this profession and Indian art in India as well as overseas, been globally. And besides this, I would like to add here that with our hard efforts of ICF, with senior leaders from the industry, have been able to persuade government in considering chefs being artists for National Tourism Award.
Fantastic.
Chefs are being honored with this award. And recently, hot news is that chefs have been honored, are being honored for highest civilian award, that's Padma Shri.
Oh, great.
Chef Imtiaz Qureshi has been honored with this highest civilian, which was never there earlier.
That's fantastic news, big news, I think.
Yeah.
It should be the breaking news.
Yeah.
Right, it is. ICF has played a major role.
I could see
In
that last year at Ashoka when you were having your functions on the World Chef Day. This was one of the points raised at the forum also.
Yes.
So,
In
yes, sir,
fact,
please.
Finally, the ministry has agreed to it and relented to it.
This is fantastic. I think this calls for a separate story on this.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because you see, chef's profession is, we are artists, I would say that. So, besides this, Indian Culinary Forum also has its own quarterly magazine called Incredible Chef, which is by chef for chefs.
Okay.
The only magazine on this subject in the
Great.
country. And we are shortly launching our directory also called Chefs Connect, ICF
Okay.
member directory. So likewise, you see, we are engaged in doing many activities in promoting this profession, the profession and the culinary art.
Well, Ahar is where during Ahar we have about 16 categories, in which there are some which are static and some which are live. Now the static ones are ones which the participants do it at the hotel or anywhere else and then bring it here and just display it. It's basically, it's judge wants, he can taste it also, but
Okay.
more points are awarded for presentation, showmanship,
Okay.
you know, the portions and, you know, the size and how they comply with the terms and conditions laid down in each category. So in the static category, we have, you know, the artistic showpieces, your bakery display, then you have your the regional Indian buffet,
Okay.
or you have your plated desserts, plated main course, your petit fours. These are the ones that come under the static. And then under the live, we have your fruit and vegetable carving.
Okay.
Then we have a dress the cake and a mocktail competition.
Okay.
This is also held live where the participant is standing there and he's given fixed time. Like for a mocktail, it's just 15 minutes. While for fruit and vegetable carving, it's 2 hours.
Okay.
Dress the cake is also 2 hours.